How to fix your Amazon Prime Video not working. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that doesn't work, you want to simply try to close the Amazon Prime Video application completely and reopen it. Always make sure that your Amazon Prime Video application is up to date. You can simply go to your App Store or Play Store to check it. If you're on an Android device, go to your settings, app, Prime Video, and storage, and simply go ahead and clear cache. Try to restart your device and always check if the server for Amazon Prime Video is up and running. You can simply check it at downdetector.com. If your phone is not up to date, simply go ahead and make sure it is up to date as well. And if nothing works, simply go to amazon.com/video help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.